Good morning to everyone. This is your Aisha ma'am and you're watching the Wise Choice Hub. In my previous video, I have explained about alphabet, words and its types, sentence and parts of a sentence. Children, in our daily life, we build or communicate in different ways. Each sentence that we speak is different from the other. Sometimes we speak or converse normally. Sometimes we question. Then we command over somebody or request for something. And also change our tone of talking or speaking when we want to express our feelings. Right? Therefore, remember, sentences provide us the framework for a clear, written expression of our ideas. So, my today's class is on learning types of sentences. Types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Let's learn about assertive sentences. Children, assertive sentences are also called as declarative sentences. The word itself says declaration. This type of sentence gives you a lot of information about facts, about opinions and beliefs. This sentence ends in a full stop. It is a statement sentence. Example: peacock is a beautiful bird. Do we all agree that peacock is a beautiful bird? Yes. So it's a statement sentence. It's a declarative sentence. It's a assertive sentence. I can give you few more examples. Honesty is the best policy. It's a fact. Honesty is the best policy. Next, the Earth is a small planet in the solar system. Yes, it's a fact. Coronavirus has spread all over the world. It's a fact and it's my opinion also. Right? So what are assertive sentences? Assertive sentences are sentences that makes statements. In a simpler term, you can learn it as they are sentences that makes statement. Children, assertive sentences are further divided into 2 categories, and I will be explaining about it after I finish the explanation on the remaining 3 main types of sentences. Let's move on to the second type of sentence: interrogative sentences. What do you mean by interrogative sentences? The word itself says interrogating. That means asking questions. So interrogative sentences are sentences that asks a question and ends with a question mark. For example, which flavor of ice cream would make you happy? Children, which are the question type of words? Yes. Why, when, where, which, whose, whom, what, etc. Some sentences also begin with words like are, you, did, does, etc. For example, are you joining me for the movie today? You seem to be tired. Did you see my wallet? Again, it is ending with a question mark. Let's see a few more examples here. Where do you live? Why are you late? Will she come tomorrow? See, all these sentences are having a question mark. That is why they are called as interrogative sentences. Let's learn about imperative sentences. A sentence through which an order is given, or a request is made, or a suggestion or advice is given is called an imperative sentence. It ends with a full stop and sometimes exclamatory mark. For example, would you close the door please? I'm requesting to close the door please. So I put a full stop. Then, get out of my room. What am I doing? I'm ordering to get out of my room. Please lend me your book for today. I'm requesting. What am I doing? I'm requesting. Never forget a person who loves you. It's an advice. So remember, imperative sentences are those sentences that has order, request, suggestion or advice in them. Those sentences are called as imperative sentences. Let's move on to the fourth type of sentence, exclamatory sentence. These are the sentences containing surprise or emotion. That means a strong feeling. Remember, it ends with an exclamation mark. It ends with an exclamation mark. Example, awesome performance. Next, I'm angry. So, I'm expressing a feeling. Awesome performance shows my happiness. I'm angry shows my emotion. How intelligent the boy is. Again, it's a strong feeling with an exclamation mark. Wow, it's an amazing story. What a melodious voice. See, all these sentences have an exclamation mark. So, exclamatory sentences are sentences containing surprises or emotions, that is, having a strong feeling. Children, we are done learning the four main types of sentences. Assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. As I told you earlier that assertive sentences are divided into two categories. Let's learn what those two categories are. Affirmative sentence and negative sentence. What do you mean by affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence indicates a positive sense or meaning. It denotes the presence of something and has a positivity in it. For example, he is always on time. So there is a positivity in the sentence saying that he is punctual, he is regular, he is on time to office, he is on time to work. Right? So we can sense that positivity in the meaning. Tom is a very bright student. Right? India won in cricket by 60 runs. So all these sentences are having positivity in it. It has something to say. It has something to do. Next, we have the negative sentence. It indicates a negative sense. And you can notice words like no, not, never, and so on. So, negative sentence denotes the absence of something and has a negativity. Example, David is not a happy person. The moon has no light of its own. We cannot survive without oxygen. Can you see all these words with no, not, all shows negativity. That is why these sentences are called as negative sentences. Remember, assertive sentences are of two types: affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Affirmative sentences are positive sentences and negative sentences have negativity in it. So children, this is the end of the chapter of types of sentences. I hope my lessons are easy to understand and helping you to like grammar now. This is the exercise for you now to check your understanding skill. Exercise time. This is like an assignment for you children. State what type of sentences are these. The first one, we must salute the COVID warriors for their service to the society. Second one, what a spectacular catch was that? Third sentence, Sonu, are you okay? Fourth sentence, give me that camera. Next sentence, shut the front door and you can leave. Next sentence, he is 11 years old. Next sentence, ice cream sundaes are my favorite. The eighth sentence, have you done your holiday homework? Now is the time to press the like button, share the link and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, bye-bye.